Author and international trainer, Nicholas Hill.
So if a coalition is a partnership, often a temporary one, isn't it? A coalition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
David Cameron and
Nick Clegg.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that was a political coalition, but we have coalitions within business as well, in organisations.
Yeah.
Temporary partnerships, which work together for a mutual end. That's the purpose of a coalition, to satisfy all stakeholders, right? So if it's a guiding coalition, if you guide someone, we are now what?
Giving them the pathway to...
Yeah, exactly. Think about the context of the fact that we are now leading change. This is the reason why Cotter put this word guiding in this particular step, because you could create your own coalition. Okay, who's going to be involved in this change project? But you've got no one to lead it. Or you may only have one person to lead it. By creating a guiding coalition, you're now creating for yourself leaders within that team, multiple leaders who are all fans of the change. These then become your spokespeople for the change. Now, when I used to work in teams years ago, I would come out of a meeting where the presenter or the CEO, let's say, would be selling the vision. You and everyone else on the break goes out to the coffee machine. And so then starts those conversations about, well, what do you think some of the conversations might be that may not be in alignment with the CEO's vision?
Why they don't think it's the right way to go.
Exactly. And that's one of the biggest challenges with change, that even if you have gained consensus in that team meeting, even though you have done a great job in selling that vision of change to the team or the stakeholders, there could just be one person out of, let's say, 20 that emails everyone with their opinion that is in contrast to yours, that wants to sink your ship before it's even set sail. So by creating a guiding coalition, you need to get multiple people on board that shout the vision from your rooftops when you are silent.
Yeah.
Do you get that?
Yeah, absolutely.
So this is where
I've seen that done in the past, and it's really effective.
You could still get people on your team that are passive aggressive, which means that they won't be aggressive overtly to your face, but they could be behind your back, which means they will be the yes man or the yes woman to you, but the no man or no woman to everyone else. Yeah. So again, you need to be able to read between the lines when speaking to them.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.